Topic: Range of ownership of land. As the emergency measurement for temporary medical facilities, the government can use land, house and good owned or possessed by the private person and private institution. Topic is a little different issues on special measurement of COVID-19. However, we need to consider the range of ownership of land. It is helpful for us to understand the restriction of private rights by the public welfare and public interests. The scope of ownership in Civil Code. The Civil Code Article 207 provides scope of ownership in land. Ownership in land shall extend to above and below the surface of land, subject to the restriction prescribed by laws and regulations. This slide shows how land ownership is restricted in the upper and lower levels than on the surface. In short, if you buy land in Japan, you can use up to 60 meters above and 40 meters below. In Japan, it has not been decided whether we can trade space over land. Air traffic upon Tokyo is crowded. In this session, I would introduce two cases that property rights are restricted by use of airspace. First, Yokota Air Base exists in Fusa City, residential place in the west of Tokyo. Japanese Defense Force and U.S. Air Force use Yokota Base. Recently, Ospreys are deployed to the base. The residents around the base are afraid of crash accidents reported in other bases and are annoyed by the noise. Second, at Tokyo 2020 Olympic, many foreigners will come to Tokyo. To increase the capacity of arrival of airplanes to the Haneda Airport, new approach routes start on 23rd March 2020. The route set up center of Tokyo. One reason is to avoid the collision of two airspaces, Yokota Airspace occupied by the Yokota base and airspace used for Haneda Airport. The residents lived in center of Tokyo are afraid of accidents of dropped parts of airplanes and noise or vibrations. This is a news website about Osprey deployment to the Yokota Air Base. Please access reading the QR code. Next is a news website about new route of Haneda Airport. Please access reading the QR code.